نحمده ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم أما بعد.
So this is the first thing we need to do. We need to make sure that we don't harm ourselves spiritually in the month of Ramadan. Number two, we need to make sure that we do not undervalue the month of Ramadan. And in order to save ourselves from undervaluing Ramadan, not doing the qadr of Ramadan, we need to make sure that we abstain from every layani. So two very important things. One is to abstain from sins, without which we cannot do. And number two, abstain from layani. If we do not abstain from layani, we will undervalue the month of Ramadan. We will not be able to do full qadr of Ramadan, because we would have wasted precious moments of Ramadan. And in order to become successful in both these objectives, objective number one, abstain from every disobedience to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala throughout the month of Ramadan, with the resolution that that will become the foundation for the rest of my life, inshallah. And number two, abstaining from layani. In order to become successful in these two objectives, we need to do three more things. Number one, always stay in good company and abstain from wrong company. Always, number two, always stay in good places and abstain from wrong places. And number three, try to stay on your own as much as possible. Abstain from ikhtilat, abstain from mixing. So we abstain from mixing, number one. Without necessity, we don't mix, even with our brothers, even with our sisters, even with our nephews, nieces, even with our family members, during the month of Ramadan only. Ikhtilat, completely stay away from ikhtilat, mixing. And number two, if necessity compels us, then we make sure that we only come in contact with good company and not bad company. We only move around in good places and not bad places.